Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said the country was creating Pashu Aadhaar, the largest database of animals associated with the dairy sector, with the help of biometric identification. He said this at the inaugural ceremony of the World Dairy Summit 2022 in Greater Noida on September 12. Hello everyone, this is Margesh Rai and you are watching Swadeshi VIP. Today through this video, we will try to understand how Pashu Aadhaar will help to control lumpy skin disease. Lumpy skin disease is a viral disease that affects cattle and is extremely contagious. It has caused close to 67,000 cattle fatalities nationwide. According to the center on Thursday, over 15.21 lakh cattle have been affected by the outbreak thus far. At least 7 states including Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Delhi have reported cases. The states have been advised to take concrete steps to separate animals and stop the spread of the disease. This illness is spreading quickly in Rajasthan and Gujarat, where state governments have established control rooms in districts to monitor and engage in effective preventative initiatives. Approximately 3,000 cattle died in these two states alone in the span of a month as a result of the viral illness. Lumpy skin disease is a viral disease of cattle and buffalo caused by Capri pox virus. It is transmitted by blood feeding insects such as certain species of flies and mosquitoes or ticks. It causes fever and nodules on the skin and can also lead to death, especially in animals that have not previously been exposed to the virus. Lumpy skin disease is controlled and prevented using 4 strategies: movement control, vaccination, slaughter campaigns, and management strategies. At least 97 lakh doses of the lumpy skin disease vaccination have now been administered. Out of these, nearly 80,000 cattle have recovered from the viral illness. After the outbreak of COVID 19, people are very afraid as rumors are surfacing over the internet that lumpy skin disease can be the next big pandemic. So, these facts are completely wrong and there is nothing to worry about. The disease is not zoonotic, which implies that humans cannot contract the viral infection because it does not transfer from animals to humans. For more details on lumpy skin disease, you can watch the other videos made by us on this topic. Links are in the description. So now let's talk about the Pashu Aadhaar. Pashu Aadhaar aims to expand the dairy sector in India. The National Dairy Development Board is developing the information network for animal productivity and health, which will be known as Pashu Aadhaar. As part of this scheme, all animals will be given an ear tag which will contain a bar-coded 12-digit unique identification number. INAPH stands for Information Network for Animal Productivity and Health. INAPH will have all the data related to the animals registered, including their species, breed and pedigree. It will also consist of information regarding calving, vaccination and milk production. How can a farmer get Pashu Aadhaar for his cattle? Farmers can get themselves registered on the INAPH portal. They need to click on a new account and register themselves on the INAPH portal. A verification code will be sent to the mobile number which the farmers need to enter on the portal. To register the animals online, farmers can access INAPH in two ways. Those who are registered as offline farmers will get an SMS on their cell phones about their login information and the link to download INAPH Farmer Android application. Farmers can also directly download the INAPH Farmer Android app. Those registered as online farmers will get a text message on their cell phones regarding their login information and can start accessing the INAPH Farmer web application by logging into the portal. To apply online for animal registration, farmers can follow the steps given below. Log on to the INAPH portal. Click on Animal Registration and enter the required details. After entering the owner's detail, the farmers can get the UID number. It is one of the best initiatives taken by the government, which was started back in 2015 by putting an ear tag on every cattle with UID, but taking it all digital will add a whole new dimension to the initiative. It will help the government to monitor everything in the dairy industry. Aside from monitoring livestock health, the database is expected to assist the government in containing the outbreak of lumpy skin disease, which has killed over 67,000 cattle in 8 Indian states. Apart from developing an indigenous vaccine for the disease, the government is also making efforts to track the movement of animals to check the outbreak, Modi ji said at the event on September 12th. Digital identification will help keep track of the health of livestock. So, this was all about the topic. For more such information on the dairy industry and cattle health, subscribe to our Swadeshi VIP channel. Thank you. Jai Gaur Mata.